up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hey man, today is Sunday, March the 2nd, 2025. And today is my birthday, baby. And we out here sliding on this beautiful Sunday, man. Headed to the gun range with one of my sons. And going to the gun range is his gift to me. We just gonna hang out. You know, it's not all about the gun range. It's about, you know, spending some quality time with my son. But we sliding, baby. Hey, man, I am just so blessed to be alive. Another day in good health, sliding on my bike. Hey, man, what more can you ask for? Beautiful sunny day. Sliding on my bike, hanging with my son. Hey man, all I can say is, thank you, Jesus. And I'm not sure if you saw the last video I put out. I'll put a description and a link. Who is Clutch C? This is me. Hey man, like Popeye the Sailor Man would say, I am who I am. That's what I am. You know, all my family members, I have 4 other brothers and a sister. You know, they're all saying, hey man, what do you want for your birthday? I only have one request. And that's good health, and that comes from above. I don't need anything else. I don't need anything material. I can buy material things for myself. But only God can give you good health. So that's my request on my birthday. It's for divine healing and health. Right, we here, baby. Athena Gun Club. Got the bikes. We sliding today. My son. We finna go in here and set some off. Go, baby. All right, we here, baby. We finna get it in. Right there. They keep jamming. I wouldn't use it, man.
Jesus, go one more time.
All right, now what is this?
AR-15 short barrel rifle.
AR-15 short barrel. And what kind of rounds you shoot?
Either 223 or 5.56.
Okay. Not hitting anything.
There you go. Got the 8.
Man. So I got kicked, but it don't hurt though. I tore the head up. I got pretty good angle. I think I would even be. I'm doing really good to shoot. I'm right-handed. Have to shoot it on my left with that dominant eye. Yeah, man, we tore it up. The ones that you see going off the page is probably mine. My son is a way better shot than I am. All right, we've been here about an hour, man. We still doing it. There's $17 burgers, baby. We in here. All right, man. Here's this birthday dinner, I guess. Looking good, boy. It's a Papa's burger. A Papa's cheeseburger, actually. Man, look at that baby there. Ooh-wee. All right, man, we had a great meal. Time to go home and lay it down. Great day hanging with my son on his 636 right there. So hey man, I'm gonna end it right here. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this ride with my son. And you know what to do, man. Make sure you keep tools on the ground and make sure you ride your way. Later.